Ham and cheese savory pie. A quick to-do and simple dinner recipe for the whole family. Let's prepare it together. Line a 20 cm round baking tin with ready-made puff pastry. Place some slices of cooked ham on the bottom. Continue placing some sliced cheese of your choice on top. We used Emmental. Cut the mozzarella for pizza into slices, about half a centimeter thick. Arrange it on top of the tart. Cover with more slices of cooked ham. Lay some small pieces of butter on the surface. In a bowl, break the eggs, add milk, salt and pepper, and beat everything well with a hand whisk. Pour the egg mixture over the savory tart. Sprinkle the surface with grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Fold the edges of the puff pastry inward. Bake in a static oven at 180 C for 30–35 minutes. Remove it from the oven. Let it cool slightly and serve. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.